Hey there, how y'all doing? I'm out here at the range today. I got my Heritage Rough Rider 22 long rifle. Just picked it up a couple of days ago. I've been shooting with it a little bit. Man, I love this thing. A single action 22. Came with a 22 long rifle cylinder and also came with a 22 mag cylinder. And whew, a little warm out here. So I'm going to take a few shots at the steel target down here and unload it and fire 6 more rounds. Just see what we can do with it today. So let me get my ears on. Okay. Load it up and shoot it again. Alright, let's try it again. Alright folks, there it is. Good shooting little gun. Let's see, target where I hit. It's not bad. It's for 189 bucks. You can't beat this thing. I'm just really pleased with it. It's a good shooting gun, and I just really like it. Alright folks, thanks for watching. See you later.